Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Honkai. Honkai is the ransomware that belongs to the Paradise ransomware family. My video is only for the educational purposes. Of course, I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you recommendations on how to avoid the impact of the ransomware on the data. So you now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation and all other data can be opened easily without any complications. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Honkai ransomware may attack the files. So this is what happens whenever you try to open this specific file. You get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this Honkai additionally appended extension. Trying to remove this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted and damaged. The ransomware drops this ransom note in the form of HTML file, and it tells the victims that they should pay a certain ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. What we recommend you to do is remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching the system. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.